Right, that was a bit of a panic. We're meant to be the third group on this course. We're doing Madgwick 2, so running the course from first thing this morning in reverse. But because of the logistics of it and the way it all works with the go-kart track used down there, they decided they're just going to run everyone through it once. Then we queue up, everyone goes through it again, we queue up, everyone goes through it again. Does mean that there's about 20 minutes or so, maybe even half an hour, that there's going to be in between me driving this each time. There's far worse places to sit and spend a sunny Sunday afternoon. Okay, so focus this time. Drive it like a Cayman, not like an M140i. Use the precision, try and keep the speed up. Second gear all the way down until we come back into the go-kart track, and I think I'm going to have to be first again for that. But yeah, second gear, I think. Just focus on keeping that speed up. Trust the car a bit more as well when I'm asking it to change direction. Dampers on, sport button, PSM off. Feel too bad. Hello.
79.32.
It sounds like there's something else to come. Oh, behave.
Right at the end there.
So this is Madgwick, 3. So
79.32. One cone.
what cone did I hit?
I think it was one of the last ones. I think you just get a little nudgy.
Oh, and that's a cone, isn't it?
Yeah,
C.
C for cone, yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So it sounds like a fan's just kicked in.
Orange 20 start line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Right, so.
Okay, so that fan's just shut down. About to give it a ton more heat though. Please tell me clean. Was
You've
it?
got- Yeah, you were
Oh,
clean.
good,
You
okay.
were no penalties. That's
Okay,
good.
yeah.
You were 77.66.
Right. Okay, thank you. Well, not a good time, so may as well have some fun. Yeah, I'll take a note anyway, just for fun.
Bit of grass here and there.
Yeah, no, I know, grass. I actually stalled it at the stop.
No.
So I thought, well, I may as well have some fun. So I was just trying to get the back
I
out.
can see it taking a bit of time.
Yeah,
So 90 seconds, point 31, with a bit of grass.
with grass.
With
I
grass.
didn't hit any cones.
No cones.
Even doing all of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks spectacular.
Oh, okay.
Especially up here. That's brilliant.
Yeah, it was good fun. Yeah, so not the fastest way to do it, but arguably the most fun. Don't forget to check back, subscribe if you haven't already. Next video, I'll be running course 4, which is the one at Woodcote, just down there. I'm in the queue. We're about to go and walk it. I'll see you soon. Thank you very much for watching.